My name is Ursula O'Dowd, Group Marketing Manager at Uform. We're a market-leading manufacturer and distributor of doors and accessories to the kitchen, bedroom and furniture industry throughout the UK and Ireland. Our company serves a diverse range of customers, from independent retailers and designers to trade professionals such as installers, manufacturers and small independent tradespeople. We're passionate about delivering premium quality products and exceptional service, and our business is constantly evolving to meet the needs of our customers. We decided to join the ArtiCAD Supplier Partnership Programme because it aligns perfectly with our goal of making our products more easily accessible to retailers, manufacturers and designers. ArtiCAD's reputation for intuitive design software and their strong presence within the KBB sector made it a natural fit for us. Being part of the ArtiCAD Supplier Programme has driven real commercial growth in terms of boosting brand visibility, more seamlessly integrating our products into design workflows and enabling retailers and designers to have the tools to specify our products more easily. All of this drives real sales growth for us. Working with the ArtiCAD team has been fantastic. They've been collaborative, responsive, and they're genuinely invested in helping us to succeed as a company. They continue to provide us with valuable support and proactively look for new ways and opportunities to further strengthen our partnership. The catalogues are high quality, they're visually engaging and they're easy to navigate. They reflect our brand well and they're presented in a way that's both professional and practical for designers. The partnership has helped us open up new channels of communication with retailers and designers who we maybe haven't previously engaged with. This has helped us build credibility and trust with the wider audience. The feedback that we've received from customers has been really positive. They really appreciate how easy it is to specify our products on the platform, and they really appreciate how much time it has saved them in their design process. This has really helped align with our company vision of being easy to do business with. For Uform, in 2026, our focus will be around strengthening our Story Partnership Programme, which we launched in 2024, and deepening the support of the wider independent retail channel. We'll also continue to significantly invest in new product development, so we'll have a wave of new ranges coming to the fore, and these efforts are part of our wider strategy to ensure that we are positioned as a supplier of choice and we continue to deliver on value, innovation, quality and service. We're looking forward to deepening our integration with ArtiCAD and looking for new ways to showcase our products. Whether it's through enhanced visualization tools or collaborative marketing opportunities, we see a lot of potential for the future.